Technical or fundamental analysis. What should we use? Technical or fundamental analysis? Technical analysis utilizes historical price and volume data, focusing on patterns and indicators for short-term predictions. Fundamental analysis examines financial statements, earnings reports, and industry trends to evaluate intrinsic value, guiding long-term investment decisions based on company fundamentals. Here are 10 simple points differentiating technical analysis from fundamental analysis. Data used. Technical analysis relies on historical price and volume data. Fundamental analysis relies on data such as financial statements, earnings reports, and industry trends. Focus. Technical analysis focuses on analyzing price movements and patterns to predict future price direction. Fundamental analysis focuses on evaluating the intrinsic value of a security based on its underlying fundamentals. Tools. Technical analysis uses charts, technical indicators, and patterns like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Fundamental analysis uses financial ratios, earnings reports, and industry comparisons. Time horizon. Technical analysis is often used for short-term trading from minutes to weeks. Fundamental analysis is used for long-term investment decisions spanning months to years. Market psychology. Technical analysis assumes that market psychology is reflected in price movements and patterns. Fundamental analysis examines how economic, industry, and company-specific factors influence market value. Assumptions. Technical analysis assumes that historical price movements can predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis assumes that intrinsic value will eventually be reflected in the market price. Market efficiency. Technical analysis suggests that all relevant information is reflected in the price and volume data. Fundamental analysis suggests that markets may misprice securities, creating opportunities for investors. Short-term versus long-term. Technical analysis is suited for short to medium-term traders and active investors. Fundamental analysis is favored by long-term investors and value investors. Quantitative versus qualitative. Technical analysis is quantitative, focusing on numerical data derived from price and volume. Fundamental analysis is a mix of quantitative analysis, financial ratios, and qualitative analysis, management quality, competitive advantage. Decision making. Technical analysis guides buy or sell decisions based on chart patterns and technical indicators. Fundamental analysis guides investment decisions based on the intrinsic value of a security compared to its market price. We believe using a mix of technical and fundamental analysis always helps in making better investment cum trading choices. This was about the technical and fundamental analysis. Stay tuned for next video on what is intraday trading. Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.